This video is going to be very interesting. I will share a very powerful technique with you that professional traders use. This is called double top, double bottom, and wedges and flags. So this video will increase your knowledge. So watch it full. It is an easy and professional way to predict charts in different time frames. And I have other videos on my channel. I try to bring quality content. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Now I have Google search this to give you some understanding. I will open a chart. Let me give you here. You can see a double top chart, and you can see we have a neckline, and we have an uptrend that find resistance, then again find a support, and again a resistance, which is called double top. When this breaks this neckline, it goes into a downtrend. And let me show you a double bottom. Double bottom is almost same. Instead we find a support from this bottom. Here we got a support, and we have a neckline here, again a support, and then if we break this neckline we get into a uptrend, so reversal from downward trend. Here we have wedges, and wedges we have two types: rising wedges whose break down to downtrend, and falling wedges which break down into an uptrend. So I hope I have given some simple understanding of this. So traders, let's do our setup. So first of all we will discuss about double top and bottom chart pattern. So focus carefully, you can become master at it. So we will search for double top and bottom, and this one is our indicator, so it's okay. And let's setting, and let's turn off this table option. It's not much useful, and everything else is okay for now. And you can see our indicator is applied, and it is showing the formation of different top and bottom. And you can see if we change the time frame to 4 hour, we have our high and low and other options. So both are okay. We can use 1 hour and 4 hour time frames. So focus carefully so you can master at it. So this might little bit confusing if you see it, but I will make it easier for you. And let see again and draw. You can see this is a double bottom, and this is double top, W and M. When W is broken down, we have an upward signal, and you can see this is our W. And whenever this is broken, we are in an upward trend, we will draw our trend line, further neckline. And whenever this neckline is broken, we are in an trade for a long position. And you can see we have a nice beautiful trade of 5 to 6%, and we can use our stop loss below this trend line. And you can see we have another their option, another example. You can see we can draw a trend line here, and we can draw another trend line on this neckline. Whenever this is broken, we have an opportunity for a long trade, and you can see we have a nice beautiful trade. So this pattern helps in getting better stop loss and better trade position, so you will be more confident about your trading, because it is a chart pattern. And let's see this one. Here you will extend this line the by indicator, and whenever this line is broken, you can open your trade, and you can see this trade is also a winning trade. So you see that in comparison to other strategies, here we don't have any fixed rules. as we are using chart pattern strategy, and this strategy is more powerful. So we can draw these patterns manually, but beginners don't know how to draw properly. That's why I made this video, especially for beginner people or people who want to draw quickly and efficiently. And I didn't see any other video showing this strategy. So don't, if you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. So you see that we have trend lines or extension to this indicator, and whenever this is broken, whether it's up or down, we will open our trade. In case it's broken in downward, although it was a W, it's a double top but it's broken downward, so we will open a sell trade. So you can see how much profitable this strategy is. Almost 19%. Wow, that's very powerful, guys. So I have already told we can use it for different time frames. It's better to use it for different time frames, especially 4 hour or day, because it will give you more signals and more overlook of the trading, market, what the market is going through, a big picture. So you can see we have a bigger picture in a 4 hour time frame, and you can see we have this red line from the previous double top. And you can see we have this red line can act as a support and resistance also. In 4 hour time frame, you can see whenever it crosses this one, I open a trade, and whenever it crosses in downward, we can open an a sell trade here. Like here it you can see how much profitable this can be. So you can use in 4 hour time frame like as a support resistance. So this is my unique understanding of this strategy. So in 4 hour time frame, you can use these red and green line as as a powerful support and resistance. So this way you don't need any vast experience or vast knowledge. As a beginner, you can easily draw powerful support and resistance. So you can see here we have our support here, and we have whenever it crosses this, it will go up, and whenever it crosses and downward, we will have a sell signal. So you can see the Bitcoin doing this, and you can see we can also use it on smaller time frames also. So but I will not recommend you to use it under 1 hour time frame. So now I hope you like today's video. I will in the next video I will talk about the wedges options, wedges indicator, because I can't if I explain it in this video it will become too long. So that's why I couldn't do it in this video. So you see we have a very good support and resistance here. So I hope you like this video. Subscribe it my channel. Thanks for watching.